Hello everyone. So today's lecture is about Python installation on Windows. So this is our very first lecture. What we will be doing is we will be installing Python and then setting up the system variables so that it can be accessed from anywhere from my device, whether I am accessing it from within any editor or I am accessing it from command prompt. So for that I need to set up it in my system variables. Okay, let's begin with our first step, which is about downloading the Python. Okay, let's go to Chrome, type download Python. So you got your very first link, which is like the original link for Python, python.org. Go to downloads. Okay, here like under downloads, if you are working on Windows, automatically it will give suggestion for Windows, or if you are working on Mac, you will get the latest build available for Mac. But if you want any particular build, like any previous releases, all are present here on the same page. Okay, so but we will be going on with the recommended build. So this is our build, click on it and it will get downloaded. Yeah, it's downloaded. Let's go to downloads and double click on this to install it. Okay, this is the path where it's going to be installed. It's installing. It will take some time. It's almost done. Yes. Now what we did is we have downloaded Python. So our first step is complete. Now what is the second step? Second step is to set up the system variables. Okay, let's do that. You can close it. So your Python is downloaded on this location. Let's go to that location. Okay, so this is your profile name. So here my profile name is Dell, so I will going along with that. Okay. This is the folder that has just been created. Okay, and this is the version. If you have more than 2 versions of Python, you will find another folder like suppose 310, something like that. So I will be going inside this, and this is my main application file. I need to copy this path until here Python 312 and added the system variables. You can say environment variables or system variables. It's the same thing, right? So here I need to set this path. Okay, let me go to path, click on OK. Oh, it's not allowing me to edit. Just hold on. Let me select path. Let me check what's the issue. Let me search edit system variables again. Okay, added the system environment variables. Okay, here is my path. I need to edit this path. Okay, so I think it's already added. You can just click on new and add that, copy paste that path. And second path that I want to copy is for pip. Okay, so if you see inside this Python 312 folder, there is this scripts folder that's being created. So and here we have this pip. So now what is pip? When we have downloaded this Python, right, we just got the basic library. But what if I need to install some extra libraries like in Java and C#? In Java, we import some jars, or we can directly download the dependencies from Maven. Here, like pip is it's doing the same thing. If you are setting the path for pip like until here, I need to copy it and paste it there like here and click on OK. So now my system should be able to identify both the Python version and the pip installer, like both. It should be able to recognize both of them. I am going to command prompt to check the same. Okay, so I will type the command python -- version. See, this is the Python version that we have installed. Okay, and now in order to check like if my pip is there or not, okay, so I will say pip show I can check the available okay, let me try to install some library. Suppose I want to work on Selenium, then I will be installing pip install Selenium library. But if I want to work on REST API, I will be installing requests library. Okay, so in this way I can check that pip install requests. Once I click on that, let's see, it will install this library. Okay, it's already installed, and I want to check the information of this particular library. The command is pip show requests, the name of the library. So yeah, it's giving me all this information about this library. So basically pip we have set up this variable until scripts in system variables. That's why my system is able to identify this pip command as well as this Python version. It's now able to identify. Okay, so we have successfully installed Python and pip is also working. We are able to download any of the required libraries. Now what will be our next step? In next lecture we will be doing is we will be downloading any editor, and we will be for easy working, and we will be running Python on that editor. So thank you. Let's see in next lecture.